Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for stopping by for another video. In this video I will have another limited edition box from Lookfantastic. This one is called Back for Black Lookfantastic. It was the Black Friday limited edition box. It's literally a black box, and let's see what we have in here. If I will find the box available, I will leave the link down below. Also, don't forget to check the description box for open giveaways as always. It says here, because some things are worth loving twice. Here is the thing for this box, and comes with a card, and we have all the products that are in the box, and here is the box inside with the fantastic logo. Let's see what we have in here. And here is the box inside. It says here, indulge in our best-selling makeup and premium skincare with our exclusive Black Friday beauty box. 2018 has been our most exciting year so far at Lookfantastic Beauty Box. With so many fantastic beauty products to choose from, we are celebrating by bringing you the best of this year's cult and hero products all in one amazing collection. So let's see what we have in here. I will go by the card, and first thing in here, it's a palette. This is HD high definition eyeshadow palette in Foxy. And is this one looks familiar to me. I think it came in one of the advent calendars this year or last year, anyway, something like that. Here is the palette. About this one, create a stunning smoky eye with this multifunctional palette by high definition. The palette contains a mix of color powders to accentuate your eyes. The assorted shades gives you a chance to update your eye look completely. I'm not sure if the other one was an eye palette or a brow palette, but anyway, here is this one, and comes with a tiny brush also. Then we have product number 2, which is from Nooks. Is this deluxe sample, the well-known dry oil. If you watch my channel, you saw this one in some of my empties. I love this oil, one of the best, I think, for me at least. I'm using the full size right now, which is almost gone. Lovely to have another deluxe sample. I tried the shimmer one also, and I like that one too. You can use this one for face, body, or hair. So far I use it just for body, but I will try it for sure for hair. About this one, it's a cool product that will nourish, repair and soften both your skin and hair. This dry oil by Nooks provides ultimate hydration that will leave both your hair and skin super glossy and protected thanks to its non-greasy formula. So beautiful product in here. We have then Laura Geller, and Laura Geller has Lash Boss mascara, which is this one. About this one, lengthen, volumize and curl them like you've never seen thanks to its protein infused charge technology. Plus it has a dual-sided bristle brush that will intensify your lashes without clumping or flaking. So let's see the one for this. I hope you can see. On this side the brushes are very tiny, and here are they have more length. So Laura Geller in here. Then we have a favorite, all-time favorite of mine, which is Emma Hardy Moringa Cleansing Oil. You heard me, if you watch my channel, talking about this one many times. We have a deluxe sample in 0.5 fluid ounce actually. And about this one, experience a rejuvenating deep cleanse with this daily cleanser by Emma Hardy, using ingredients of antioxidant moringa seed extract, wild sea fennel, and vitamin E. This balm lifts away makeup and impurities while relaxing, revitalizing dull skin. A skincare favorite. Love, love, love this one. I tried recently the LMS one, and I'm quite debating which one I like more. But so far, this is gonna be always in my collection. I have a couple samples like this. Beautiful product and very effective. We have then Madeira SOS Hydra Moisture Radiance Mask. Treat your complexion with the Madeira SOS mask, a lightweight formula that works to improve skin tone and texture without over drying. This formula of northern peony, linseed, and hyaluronic acid intensely hydrates and replenishes skin to restore natural radiance of a soft, nourished, and refreshed complexion. Let's see how much is in this one. The box is big, but the product is very tiny and not full. This one comes with 12.5 milliliters, which is 0.4 ounce. So I didn't try this one. Then we have in here a face mask, a sheet mask. This is Talika Bubble Mask Bio Detox. Is this one. Discover the power of the innovative foaming charcoal mask containing thousands of nourishing microbubbles that transform into an oxygenated foam when put into contact with your skin. The formula draws inspiration from Korean skincare methods to offer effective detoxifying and hydrating properties. So is this one. Then we have Dr. Botanicals bars, and I have this one, and of course couple of those black worms. About this one, leaves your body smelling and feeling unbelievable with one of these cleansing or exfoliating bars by Dr. Botanicals. Lather up in the sink, shower, or bed and moisturize your skin so it feels purified and relaxed. I got the coconut oil rejuvenating body exfoliating bar. I tried another one like this a while ago, and I think was the bergamot and poppy seed. So another full size in here, natural, vegan, all the good stuff. Then we have in here Grow Gorgeous 11-in-1 cleansing conditioner. Get shiny and smooth looks with this multitasking shampoo and conditioner in one. Reduce frizz and flyaways, adds volume and hydrates your hair and scalp, leaving your hair full of vitality. Your hair will be revitalized and rebalanced in one step. So I just pull out from my collection the excuse me the hair serum from the same brand. This is full just up to here, so it's not much in this one. Then we have Christopher Robin, another favorite of mine. This is cleansing volumizing paste. Revive your looks with this deep cleansing shampoo like treatment by Christopher Robin. Ingredients of baobab leaf, centifolia, rose water, and Russell mineral clay. Work to absorb dirt, oil, and impurities, enhancing the strength, lift, and thickness of each strand of your hair. Beautiful product. Just be careful how much you use because it lathers like nothing else. Also, don't forget to use a good conditioner after this one, because if you don't use anything after this, your hair might get dry. Other than that, great volumizing product. Then we have in here Icon. This is a full size. I Do Eyeliner, winner of Wales British Beauty Award. Get ready to define your eyes perfectly with this classic black liquid eyeliner favorite by Alexa Chung. This waterproof eyeliner glides effortlessly across your eyes, allowing you to create whatever eye look you wish, and with a precision tip. So a full size of this one comes pretty often in boxes. And the last thing in here is the Korea Santorini Wine Shower Gel. This one comes in 40 milliliters. It's a deluxe sample. Invigorate both your skin and your senses with the fresh and fruity scent of this refreshing shower gel. You'll be left with soft, moisturizing, and soft skin from head to toe. So this was the last product. I like the box. It wasn't expensive. I will find the link. I will leave it in the description box. So far, couple favorites products of mine as the Christopher Robin Moringa Cleansing Balm, Emma Hardy Moringa Cleansing Balm, the Nux Oil. Love, love, love those. I will try the rest of them. I'm sure they are good. So far, that's all in this box. Let me know what do you think about, if you have a favorite product or if you tried something from this box and how it worked for you. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you guys very soon. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.